Hello guys. In the previous video, we have designed this calculator and then we have set the backend part in Kotlin language. Now in this video, we are going to set the backend part in Java language. I am Kayuratyaru, welcome you all in this new tutorial. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and if you are new, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have not seen this designing video, then first watch this video. Link is given in the description. Now create a new project and make sure you have created project in Java language. First we will create all the objects. For that we will create one function. So write void init. In this function we will create all the functions. So quickly create all the objects. As we can see, we have created all the objects of text view. We can remove this code by using data binding. As of now, as a beginner level, I am not using data binding. Now let's call this init function. So we have initialized all the objects. Now we will create one another function for appending our text to our text view. So write void append string. Now in this bracket we will pass two arguments, one for string and other for boolean. Here we will check if result is empty or not. So write if txt result dot get text to string, and then we will call isEmpty function. This will return true or false. If txt is empty, then it will return true, else it will return false. When result is not empty, then we will store empty text to our expression. So write txt expression dot set text and we will put it empty. After this we will check if canCheck returns true or false. If this variable returns true, then we will set txt result to empty. So write txt result dot set text and put it empty. After this we will append our string to our expression. So write txt expression dot append, and in this bracket we will pass our string. So our string is data. If canCheck variable return false, then here first we will append the result text to our expression. So write txt expression dot append, and in this bracket we will get the result string. So write txt result dot get text. After that we will append the string to our expression variable. So write txt expression dot append. In this bracket we will pass the string, and at the end we will set the null to our result text. So write txt result dot set text and put it null. So we have set up our append string function. Now we have to set the click event of all the text view. So write txt result dot set on click listener, and here we will pass the context. So as of now this will showing error because we have not implement the on-click listener. Simply implement on-click listener. So here we can see our on-click listener is implemented. Now we will write all the click event of text view like this. To make this process easy, we will also use data binding. As a beginner level, I am not implementing data binding. In the upcoming videos, we will see the tutorial of data binding. If you have not subscribed the channel, then subscribe the channel to get updates. So I have created all the click event of the text view. Now here we will check which text view is clicked. So write switch v dot get id. This will return the id of the text view. Now if user click on the 0 button, then write case r dot id dot tv 0 colon. Here we will call our function. So write append string and first we will pass the string. So write 0. After that we will pass the check function. So we will pass true, and after that we will break the case. Now we will write the second case. Case r.id.tv1. If user have clicked on text view 1, then we will append the 1 to our expression and we will pass the true to our check variable. So I have created all the click event of number text view. Now we will create the click event of plus, minus, division and multiplication. So write r.id.tv plus, and here we will call the append function, and in the string we will pass the plus sign, and in the check variable we will pass false, and after that we will break our statement. As above, we will write the click event of minus button. So write append string. Here we will pass the minus sign. After that we will pass the false to our check variable. So I have write all the click event of plus, minus, multiplication, division and open bracket and close bracket. Now we will write the click event of clear button. So write r.id.tv clear. Here we will clear both the text view. So write txt result dot set text, and here we will pass the null. After that we will clear the expression. So write txt expression dot set text, and here we will pass the null, and at the end we will break the string. If you want to learn how to build this calculator using Kotlin language, then I have created that tutorial. Link is given in the description box. Now we will create the click event of back button. So write r.id.tv back. So here first we will store the string. So write string str equal to txt expression dot get text dot toString. So we have take the data from the txt expression to our str variable. Now we will check if str is not empty, then we will store the substring to our expression variable. So write txt expression dot set text. Here we will write str dot substring, and first we will pass the index. After that we will pass the ending index. So write str length minus 1, and at the end we will set the null to our txt result. So we have done our click event of txt back button. So let's write the last click event of equal button. So write r.id.tv equal. For evaluating expression we will use one library. So open gradle.app module and paste the library in the dependency block and simply click on sync now. I will mention this library in the description. So here we will create the object of expression builder. So write expression builder space expression builder equal to expression builder, and in this bracket we will pass our expression. So write txt expression dot get text dot toString. So we have created the object of expression builder. Now we will create one variable for result. So write double result equal to expression builder dot build dot evaluate. So it will evaluate the expression and store to our result variable. Now we will display our result. So write txt result dot set text, and here we will pass result dot toString. Sometimes this code generates the exception. So write this code in try catch block. So we will get the exception in our toast. So write toast dot make test. Here we will pass the context. After that we will print the message. So write e dot get message, and we will pass the duration. So write text dot length long, and at the end we will call the show function. So we have done our code. Now let's run this code and see the output. I will upload all the source code to my GitHub profile. Link is given in the description box. So here we can see our calculator is running. Now let's check 10 plus 20 plus 30 into 2. So here we can see our calculator is running perfect. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.